Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming charge and pairing. This ensures reliable touch responses. Put both AirPods in so sensors register proximity. Once done, open Settings and tap Bluetooth, then your AirPods name to access control options. Make sure noise control and automatic ear detection are enabled because touch gestures rely on sensor context. Now find the press or touch settings for left and right stems. This is the first step to map actions and avoid accidental taps when you move your head or adjust fit. You now choose which gesture does what, because customization prevents conflicts and matches your listening habits. Tap the gesture options and select single, double, or triple press or touch and hold depending on your AirPods model. Assign play/pause, skip forward/back, activate Siri or toggle noise control. Pick left or right for convenience. Once mapped, play a short track and practice each gesture slowly, then at normal speed, to confirm responsiveness and adjust sensitivity or reassign if any action triggers unintentionally. You finish by building consistent muscle memory. Use firm, brief taps or presses rather than quick jabs to improve accuracy. If a gesture fails, first clean the stem and sensor areas gently and repair the AirPods. A factory reset often resolves firmware glitches. Make sure your iPhone installs the latest AirPods firmware automatically, because updates fix touch performance. Finally, if problems persist, test with another device to isolate phone versus AirPods issues, and contact support only after these steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.